Okay, hey guys, it's me, Meowth. Well, King Meowth, I should say. Bing Meow. And on way up into I don't even know how to pronounce that, but I think it's like something. What is this? Wait, whoa! Hold on a minute. Sorry, that was too loud. What the hell? What is this? What the hell? Jesse, Cassidy, that guy, Butch, James. What the hell is going on? What the hell? What? What is this? Cassidy can cook? That guy that from that restaurant? Butch? What the hell? James? What is this? Is this a parody through Glitter Forest? And it's still loud. There we go. What the hell? Okay, so Jessie is Emily. Cassidy is Kelsey. That boy is Lily. Butch is April. And James is Chloe. Hey, there I am. And Rat-a-tat. Well, Rat-a-cat per se. Holy biscuit. That is the best. I think I know what to put in the title of this episode. Team Rocket Glitter Force Parody. Let's do it! Thanks for watching.